Hello viewers, I hope you all will be fine. Today you gonna learn how to open Facebook disable account.
You can easily open your account from this method. Please watch full video. There is a trick to open disable account. Let's start. Just go to your browser and enter your Facebook details. Email and password. After that, this screen will appear. Just go to Help Center. You will see Facebook ID upload form there. Here is the trick. Just download any VPN and change your IP to any other country IP note.
Before this, change your browser. Don't do this on your regular browser. After this, again go to Facebook Help Center. Upload your ID card. Wait for some hours or some days. Because of some viruses, Facebook team taking much time to reviewing applications. I hope it will help a lot. Give thumbs up. Do subscribe and do comment if you faced any problem. Contact me on my official Facebook page for any help.